When we spend time on our computer for a long time, we can encounter problems such as neck stiffness. And that is that our computer is lower than ourselves. Usually laptops have this problem a lot. But today I am here with a beautiful product that will overcome this problem. A product you have seen in front of me is WiWu's S750 laptop stand. Let's take a closer look at what it offers us. First of all, it is worth mentioning that the laptop stand consists of a beautiful aluminum material. It's really quite a high-end and premium product. I should mention that it is. The laptop stand has different angles. If you wish, you can use your laptop at a down angle in this way. If you wish, you can use it again by taking it to the right angle to the front. And when you're done the last time you're done, he folds automatically. You can easily carry it in your bag wherever you want. What I like the most is that there is a structure that can rotate 360 degrees in the middle of the product. In this way, as you have seen now, we can use our laptop by rotating it at any angle as we wish. At the top, there is a perforated structure. In this way, air circulation continues actively and prevents problems such as heating of your device. If you have bought a keyboard that supports Bluetooth in any way, I can say that you can leave it on your desk and get rid of your neck pain by typing from there. Sort of. So what do you think about the product? Let's meet in the comments section.